Conversion of unit of a physical quantity from one system to another system. Conversion of unit of a physical quantity from one system to another system. The product of numerical value. The product of numerical value under bracket small n and the unit under bracket small u of a physical quantity is constant. Therefore numerical value into unit will be equal to constant. That is, the product of numerical value and unit remains constant. Therefore nu equal constant, where n is the numerical value and u is the unit of a physical quantity. Numerical value into unit is constant. Let n1 be the numerical value. Let n1 be the numerical value of a physical quantity in one system of measurement of a physical quantity which has unit u1 in a certain system of measurement, which has unit u1 in a system of measurement. Similarly, n2 will be the numerical value of the same physical quantity. Again, n2 be the numerical value of the physical quantity of that physical quantity having unit u2 in another system of measurement. N2 be the numerical value of the physical quantity having unit u2 in the another system of measurement or in another system of measurement. Now, product of numerical value and unit equal constant. That means numerical value into unit equal constant. Therefore, hence n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. n1 u1 is the product of numerical value and unit in the first system of measurement, and n2 u2 is the product of numerical value and unit of that physical quantity in another system of measurement. Let m1, l1 and t1 be the fundamental units of mass, length and time in one system of measurement. m1, l1 and t1 be the fundamental units of mass, length and time in one system of measurement. m2, l2 and t2 be again the fundamental units of mass, length and time. m2, l2 and t2 be the fundamental units of mass, length and time in the other system. in the other system. Again, A comma B and C, A comma B comma and C are the respective dimension, that is of the power of a physical quantity, u under bracket small u, in mass comma length and time, length comma time on both the system. A comma B comma C are the respective dimensions of a physical quantity in mass comma length and time on both the systems. The physical quantity U can be expressed. The physical quantity U can be expressed in the following ways. In that two system of measurement, the physical quantity U can be expressed in the following ways in that two systems of measurement in terms of mass comma length and time. Now U1 is the unit of the physical quantity, and which is equal to M1 to the power A, L1 to the power B, and T1 to the power C, and U2 equal to M to the power A, L to the power B, and T to the power C. Now numerical value into unit. Numerical value into unit will be equal to constant. That means the product of numerical value and unit of a physical quantity remains constant for all the systems of measurement of that physical quantity. That is, numerical value into unit equal constant. Therefore, N1 U1 will be equal to N2 U2. Therefore, N2 equal N1 1 by U2 bracket closed. N2 equal N1 under bracket U1 by U2. This is the numerical value of the physical quantity in the second system of measurement. N2 equal N1 into U1 by U2, where N1 and N2 are the numerical value of the physical quantity. N1 and N2 are the numerical values of the physical quantity in that two systems of measurement. Or in that two different systems of measurement. N2 equal N1 under bracket U1 by U2, or comma N2 equal N1 in place of U1, what we can write, M1 to the power A, L1 to the power B, T1 to the power C under third bracket divided by under third bracket M to the power A, L to the power B, T to the power C bracket closed, or comma N2 equal N1 under bracket M1 by M2 whole to the power A, M1 by M2 whole to the power A, M1 by M2 under brackets to the power A, L1 by L2 bracket close to the power B, and T1 by T2 bracket close to the power C, and that will be under third bracket. So N2 is the numerical value of the physical quantity in the second system of measurement, and here N2 is equal N1 M1 by M2 whole to the power A, L1 by L2 whole to the power B, and T1 by T2 whole to the power C under third bracket. It should be L1 by L2 whole to the power B. So N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 whole to the power A, L1 by L2 whole to the power B, T1 by T2 whole to the power C. Now N2 equal N1 M1 by M2 whole to the power A, L1 by L2 whole to the power B, and T1 by T2 whole to the power C. N2 is equal N1 M1 by M2 whole to the power A, L1 by L2 whole to the power B, and T1 by T2 whole to the power C. Knowing the values of M1 L1 T1, M2 L2 T2, A comma B comma C, and N1, the numerical value of the physical quantity in the other system can be calculated. Here again we can say that knowing the values of M1 L1 T1, M1 L1 T1, M2 L2 T2, A comma B comma C, A, B, C are the dimensions of the fundamental units, that is the dimensions of A comma B comma C, and N2 the numerical value N2 of the physical quantity in the other system can be calculated. Knowing the values of M1 L1 T1, M2 L2 T2, A comma B comma C, and N1, the numerical value of N2 of the physical quantity in the other system can be calculated.